okay?
Hey, Olivia.
You almost put the table here.
Are you? What the?
Okay, that's okay.
Oh, no!
I'm coming! Wait, I'm coming!
I'm kidding.
Congratulations.
Get it out!
Very special night.
Hey!
People wanna know. People wanna know. Who we are. Who we are.
Somewhere we try to somewhere.
You're the girl, got it here.
I know what's your name.
Allie, no.
I know it's this.
I don't know. We are the girl, got to be the girl, got to know it's
I don't want to know.
I've seen that so many times in the Canada Day parade.
I don't want to know. God, what do you do in the Canada Day parade?
Oh, last year. I guess it's set.
Somebody else want to come run with me?
I'll come out with you. Hey, Allison. Let's go. It sounded like Anna was being a dog. Is it stupid? I was trying to have to, like, get Allison to do like the sound in this.
Have fun. Nice job pointing it at your boobs. Oh.
Anna.
What'd you do, Anna?
Hey, Allison.
What'd you do?
Allison.
There's Monzico.
Oh, yeah. Whoa.
That was great.
Hey, I'm
Hey. Mamiko.
There it is.
Crazy child. Mamiko is looking for a boyfriend who will love her this summer. And it's me.
Pretty, pretty girl.
Might be like online dating to the max. Online dating.
Like a channel together.
It's like the girl who's just like, I really love cats. Oh my god, I'm starting to tear up. Wait. Mamiko, describe yourself.
There.
Mamiko is the healthiest person like I know. I'm not even joking.
I know.
Like,
Yeah,
Yeah.
you actually are.
just
really.
stick your middle finger.
Sticky middle finger.
Did you just go like this? Like you were like, I felt that.
Hey, Ray.
Hey, I'm gonna lay on top of Allison now. Somebody else take the camera. Ah! Stop!
I saw yours.
You take it.
Hey! We're getting you a doggy pile, guys. Woo!
Uh-oh.
Come on, Ren, join in. Everywhere we go, there's a friend, Mamiko, Ren, Lydia, Allison, and me. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Mamiko.
Because everywhere we go, we're in a circle. Everywhere we go, everywhere we go,
Come on, join a piece of heart.
What the? Mommy?
Oh, it's you.
Oh my god.
Allison's boobs are really soft.
Everywhere we go.
What?
Everywhere we go, everywhere we go, the people wanna know.
Stop
People
singing
wanna
that
know who we are, and where we come from. Whoa, when we go.
Mika's online dating video. I want to do a bridge. Online dating video?
A bitch.
Hi, I'm Miko. Oh my god. I think your shorts a bit too much. They look kind of like...
Ooh.
Yeah, that was creepy.
Hi, I'm Mamiko.
I'm Miko.
Hi.
Yeah, and you can see your underwear like creeping.
Trollolo.
Okay. Hi, I'm Mamiko. Hi, I'm
So everywhere we go, we're friends. Everywhere we scream, we go. Everywhere we come, we go. 'Cause we're friends and we ain't gonna leave each other for life. Mamiko.
Hi.
Okay, I just met Mamiko this year, but I feel like we're pretty good friends now.
Thank you.
Yes. She's okay. Few facts about Mamiko. She's probably the healthiest person I know. Seriously, she's like no sweet. I'm not even joking you. She's very fit and she's a very nice person
Thank you.
who's very responsible and understanding.
Thank you.
And there's Allison.
Thank you.
I've known Allison for what, 10? Allison, it's been 10 years now, right?
Are you okay?
It's been
Yeah.
about 10 years. She's a crazy person, but she's really nice and responsible. Sometimes too responsible.
I love her.
I love her. Rain I've known on off throughout the years. Rain's is definitely a unique one with many needs and challenges. But no, I'm kidding. But throughout the years, we become better friends. We don't really hang out just the two of us, but as friends we do. And then there's Lydia. Lydia is probably one of the most unique people I know. Strange too. It's a good thing. She has a mind of her own.
White dress.
Yeah, she loves white.
And she's like got red spot in here from pizza and green spot in green tea ice cream. But it's all gone now. Yeah.
Yeah. Lydia's awesome and she's really nice, kind, understanding. She was in my math for a bit and we had some fun, challenging times. All my friends are unique and in their own ways. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and please subscribe to all our channels. Everybody say bye. 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 Say bye. Allison, say bye. Bye.